Akpabio, Pamoton Center. I mean, they work with Mawana, the Wuko. But I mean, the target for the one, just say for town, about Abuja, Tama, okay, my business. Idiom Composica protesting about offense. If you don't want to that kick off the Tamade, get the whole Nigeria, you might go say Tamade. Amana, young dear Quaibo, get Yakusiliba.
Why we are responding to what you say? The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, listen to us. We are saying you should stop it. Why we are suffering? We are protesting because of hunger. We are not here because we are happy. We are here because we are suffering. We say you should stop it. Why we are protesting? Stop it while we are protesting. Stop it while we are protesting. Stop it while we are protesting.
Our mumu don't end. And now Nigerian youth have started. We are protesting because we voted them. And they tell us when we are voting them, the dollar will be 150. Bag of rice will come back to normal because we have the production. But we are sorry since 2 months, since 1 year. The whole Nigeria, the highest 419 we have never seen since I was born. The 419 that somebody is telling you, and you are writing it for granted, tell you say what you write is not My brother, we want Tinubu, Akpabio, Senate President, that is Akpabio, Shetima, Minister, Federal Republic, all of them together to settle our problem. They are the engine of Federal Republic. Let them do everything we are doing for them to do it well. Is it not what we are saying? Yes. If they do it well, we will go out from the road. Yes. But if they not do it well, we will go out. This is our nation. Yes. We will do it for 2 months. Yes. Do it for 3 months. Yes. We got to go for this road. Yes. We got to eat. Yes. Not be waiting we discuss. Yes. They should give us our rights.
1 year.